Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. I'm standing on the swim platform of a Sunseeker Manhattan 68. This yacht is presented by One Water Yacht Group, and we're going to do a full tour inside and out today. So like I said, we're starting on this swim platform, which is absolutely massive. You can fit a jet ski or large tender back here. And I already have it opened up for you guys. This is the Beach Club storage area. You can customize this to whatever types of toys you want to fit in here. There's built-in sea bob storage underneath. And then you can fit oxygen tanks for diving, other water toys. It's a really versatile space. And another fun item on this Beach Club door is actually there's a shower overhead. So if you're swimming in the ocean, you can step right off, shower right on the swim platform, and then make your way onto the yacht. This is the door to the crew quarters, and we'll check that out at the end of the tour. So let's step up into the cockpit and start this tour. The controls for the Beach Club door and underwater lights are all right here. So now that we close that up, let's make our way into this cockpit. You have a large seating area that's fully covered overhead, as well as a table. And there's plenty of space on this aft deck, so you can add more chairs right here, or whatever else you want to fill the space. On the port side, I noticed you have a remote control docking station. And there's also built-in line storage. So when you tie yourself off on your cleat, the extra lines can go right in here. So let's make our way forward into the main salon. And as you can see, this yacht is stunning. This is a galley aft layout. So you have an L-shaped dining area right here. And then opposite of that is the galley. You have a large refrigerator with a couple of freezer drawers. You have a Miele oven, a 4-burner electric cooktop, also by Miele, and then a double sink. You also have the built-in dishwasher. And you have a bunch of storage overhead. I really like the LED lighting in the ceiling. You can see Sunseeker gave this yacht that little bit of extra attention to detail. If we move forward, we'll step into the main living area. You can see you have a large U-shaped seating area over here. You have more of that really great lighting underneath, really elevates the space. And opposite of this, you have a large TV. You have even more seating up here by the helm. This is great so your guests can hang out with you while you're driving the yacht. You have really good sized windows on either side. You also have a side access door on this yacht. Stepping forward up to the impressive helm station, you have a double lift bolster seat, as well as twin Simrad multifunction displays. You can see an engine panel for the MAN engines. You have your autopilot control, bow and stern thruster control. This yacht is on straight shafts, but it does have a joystick system, so it'll use the bow and stern thrusters in conjunction with the engine to maneuver this yacht in whatever direction you please. You have your throttle control and your Sunseeker steering wheel. There's also a place to store a tablet, and you also have a cell phone charger. Now this yacht is a 4-cabin layout, and we'll check out the guest cabins first. So if we head down these stairs, we'll step forward to the VIP cabin. You have a queen bed in this room, huge closet, and a good-sized TV mounted on the wall. There's tons of headroom in this space. I'd estimate if you are 6'4", 6'5", or less, you could fully stand in this room. And as you can see, also, this yacht is brand spanking new. We still have the plastic on the carpet. Now this VIP cabin has its own ensuite. You can see your toilet and sink, and around the corner we have the rainfall shower. Now you have the third and fourth cabins right back here. Really well lit room with 2 single berths. Good sized storage closet. And it looks like it mirrors on the opposite side. 2 more single berths in this room. And then they share this head, and it also serves as the day head. Of course, you have a separate shower stall in here, and it's another rainfall shower. I really like that Sunseeker was consistent with all of these small details. So that same lighting I pointed out earlier in the main salon, you have that in these cabins. So we head back up these stairs. Tucked away behind the television is another set of stairs, and this leads you to the master stateroom. Once again, you have tons of headroom in this room. You have this really awesome seating area over here. And you do have a hidden closet right here. So this actually drops down. So you have much more storage than it looks like. And that's just secondary to the larger closets opposite in this room. You have a massive TV mounted on this wall. Then, of course, you have a gorgeous ensuite. So those are all 4 of the cabins, and you can see all 8 individuals on board will be incredibly comfortable. You also have a wine fridge tucked right here in the galley. So we still have some really cool areas to check out. And I think we'll head up to the bow first. You feel incredibly safe walking up on these side decks. And look at this awesome bow area. You have another U-shaped seating area, and this table can be converted to whatever position you please. You have some built-in cup holders here. Then you have another large sun pad right in the middle. You can see there are some foot controls for the windlass. And your chain locker. Let's just take in a view of this yacht from the front. You also have some great storage areas on either side up here on the bow. Perfect for your fenders on either side. If you enjoy these yacht tours, please consider leaving a like, as it helps out the channel more than you could ever know. And also comment down below at the end of the video what your favorite part of the boat was. So let's head up to the Flybridge. Right away, you walk right into the catering area. You have an ice maker and fridge, as well as a sink and grill. You have even more seating up here, as well as another large sun pad area. This is an awesome space so everyone can lie out and enjoy the sun while you are cruising up on the Flybridge. There's plenty of space for everyone. You have a second set of controls up here on the Flybridge, so you have more SIMRAD multifunction displays, as well as your autopilot control, your engine monitoring system, another phone charger, your VHF radio and compass, and then once again, throttle control and the joystick control. And these seats are also lift bolster seats. Overhead on this Flybridge, some parts of it is a hardtop, but you also have this soft area which will retract, completely opening up this Flybridge area. And then you have even more places to lie out. You have a couple of huge lounging chairs. And of course, you can configure these in any direction you want. And you can also choose other furniture out here if you'd prefer something else. Only a couple more spaces to check out. And I think we'll start with the engine room. So you have engine access through this hatch in the cockpit floor. So you can see these massive MAN V8 engines. They're 1,200 horsepower each. Gives you a top speed in the low 30s, cruising in the high 20s with about 550 miles of range. There is a dual stabilization system. You can see one of them right back there. And you can also see the Cummins generator. Everything's laid out very cleanly in this room. Another nice feature on this cockpit hatch, it's very safe. The only way for it to close is you have to actually push this first, and then you can lower it down. Let's quickly check out the crew quarters. So if we step back down onto the swim platform, the crew door is right here. And this swivels up. You have space for 2 crew on this yacht. You have 2 single berths as well as your laundry facilities. You have a little closet over the washer dryer, as well as a crew head. This crew head is very versatile because if you are owner operating this yacht, you can actually have this door open and come right out of the water when you're swimming. Use the head right here, and then you don't have to drip water all throughout the yacht just to go to the bathroom. Let's close this up. And I think we'll finish the tour inside this beautiful main salon. Thank you so much for watching the tour. Like I said, please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and also comment down below what your favorite part of this yacht was. Thank you to One Water Yacht Group for letting me do the tour. They will be linked down in the description below if you want to see this Sunseeker or others like it. Until next time.